How to eliminate bathroom odor in your house. Dear friends, a bathroom is the most refreshing haven for human beings, but if it is unclear, dusty and full of foul smell, it reduces the freshness, coolness and delight of taking bath. A dirty and damp bathroom increases the growth of bacteria, mold and mildew and creates unpleasant odors in bathroom. This video gives you some tips to eliminate bathroom odor for the pleasure of pure bathing. Use air freshener. When you suddenly enter your bathroom, you feel a gust of foul smell due to lots of moisture there. It causes unhygienic conditions and affects your health adversely. You can easily refresh your bathroom using air fresheners. Place air freshener in bathroom to get rid of undesirable odor. Install ventilators. A lot of moisture existing in bathrooms encourages molds and mildew. It needs intensive ventilation system to reduce the plenty. Windows and exhaust fans are used for proper air circulation and to minimize moisture in bathroom. Apply bowl cleaner. Toilet bowls and water closets are major source of bathroom odor and unpleasant smell. Bowl cleaners are good choice to avoid this problem. They should be applied inside and outside of the bowl and water closets thoroughly. Rub them with brush and then clean with paper towels. Also ensure that the bottom and back area of the bowl, flush pipe and flushing cistern are cleaned regularly. Clean bathtubs and shower booths. The dirt, dust and grime may deposit on sides and in the bottom of bathtubs. These elements contain moisture and creates odor. So, clean your bathtubs well after taking bath and let them dry for a few minutes daily. You can dry the tub with clean coarse cloth. Cleanse bathroom accessories. Molds tend to grow on the undersides of all bathroom accessories and shower areas. To eliminate their growth, wash and dry bathroom accessories and shower areas regularly. Also make sure the undersides of soap containers, body wash and hair care containers are clean. Dry them regularly to prevent the growth of molds and odor. Wash bathroom walls. Damp bathroom walls, floors, tiles, wash basins, vanity counters, etc. create mold, mildew and dirt which affect the health of occupants of the house. Clean them with the mixture of 1 cup of bleaching powder and 10 liters of warm water. Clean bathroom floor regularly. Bathroom floor becomes unhygienic and gives unpleasant smell if it is not cleaned daily. It must be cleaned to remove dust and hair, and then be mopped with detergent, soap and water to remove decaying things. Wash the floor with clean water and make it dry with clean coarse cloth. Wash bathroom curtains and floor mats. Bathroom curtains, floor mats and towels give musty odors due to bacteria and mildew. You can avoid this problem by using clean curtains and floor mats in your bathroom. Replace damaged or old caulks. Damaged caulk having cracks and crevices allows polluted water to stay there and create unwanted odor in bathroom. To avoid foul smells, replace old caulk with new one. Damaged toilet seal allows septic tank odors to seep into bathroom. Replace them immediately with new ones. Clean clogged drains. Sometimes bathroom drains are clogged up due to hair, dirt, soap and other gunk and create odor in bathroom. You can do water flushing daily to prevent drains from clogging. Also flush the drain after 3 or 4 weeks by pouring the mixture of 1 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of white vinegar. After 1 hour of pouring the mixture, also pour some hot water into the drain and flush it thoroughly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.